Welcome everyone. How are you guys? This is Mohammed Shahzad from Repair My Mobile.
No sound, please.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Okay, D9 right and all of Kennedy also here, or Mr. Recon is also here. Jonathan is already here. So our all students already here. That we are taking already the classes. So I promised yesterday to schematic diagram classes.
अनम्यूट हो जाइए. अनम्यूट हो जाइए सजाद सर. थोड़ा
Make
सा क्लियर
sure
नहीं.
if you want to work on that schematic diagram and what we use and which can use for the schematic diagram. So definitely numbers of the schematic diagram in our market. So which one we can be prefer and why we use that schematic diagram. First tell you the truth about the schematic diagram. So the schematic diagram, it is a layout and it is a place that we can be check our component, the connected components and the ICs to generate, and you can be trace out which IC or which component connected to this that you find out on your system. So here, just I share my screen first. Okay, everyone got the screen of my display. D9 right? Yeah, you are also you can. Okay, thank you. Now, first we start the topic about the schematic diagram. Okay, so in different schematic diagrams in our market. So first one, you know what is the first one? No, everyone. Just I am written here. Borneo. Everyone knows that? Good. The next one,
No, we don't know.
you don't know. Okay, no worry. I will explain everything here. How to use and how to install everything. Keep wait. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We have Borneo, we have Orion, we have
Keep
GCID.
wait. Keep wait. Keep wait. Thank you for your sharing the information. Please make sure your mic is already muted. If anyone asks, you can raise your hand for asking any question, okay? Because these are recorded class and live class, so make sure you are muted in this class, okay? But if you have any doubt and question, you can use your raise hand for asking anything, okay?
Yes.
So this is your list of schematic diagram for using PCB as well as either iPhone, Android, and laptop, desktop. So now, first I want to ask you, all of you, which schematic you want to prefer for tracing any components, either your PCB or anything? Which schematic you want to prefer? The schematic diagram that gives the layout about your PCB, and it's given the connected components of the ICs and an interface that you can easily understand which component is connected to my component. Okay, so there's a lot of PCB brands or schematic brands. So tell me first, which one you can prefer, either Borneo, Pragmafix, Aztec, Orion, JCID, Uzinzi, a mobile service tool. Which one? Tell me.
Hello,
The
is it
best
not
one.
possible? Is it not
The
possible
best one.
to choose all?
Definitely, you can buy everything in your
The
pocket.
best
You can
one.
buy
The
everything.
best one. The best one you know is preferable. The best one you know.
Yeah, the best one.
So all of coming on the best one is Borneo,
Which
right?
one can you choose as a most preferable one?
Definitely.
Then,
I will
then,
also
so-
explain
then
which one is
sorry,
suitable for
then,
all
sorry,
of you.
can you just explain about them briefly?
Yeah, definitely, definitely. So our student, all of that's already present here and giving the feedbacks about the schematic, and all of us student, truth tell here, Borneo is the best one, and everyone likes on Borneo. Why? Borneo is also a schematic that gives the layout about your PCB. Pragmafix also is a schematigram that you gives the information about your iPhones, desktops, and Android. Aztec also, Orion also. JCID is special for the iPhone level work. The schematic diagram, such as like iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and A12 series. Wuzinzi, it is the also top level of the iPhone series. It's given the maximum, its interface, its layout, and the function working only for Wuzinzi. Mobile series service tools, it is another level of the Android and iPhone schematic tools. But right now, Borneo is the most user using in the world because they have a lot of models, lot of features added in Borneo. Here you can get the information about your 3D dynamics diagram. First, you got 3D dynamics diagram. You got the second interface topic is bitmap solution. What is a bitmap? I will tell you later on class. Third one, here you got the input output voltage of every models. Also, it elaborate the CPU voltages. Where is making the CPU voltage? You can easily diagnose. And third one, the most important thing, the updated, and now it is updating again and again every day. A schematic diagram. So such a condition, I told here three things. First, mobile hardware tools. Now next, it's given bitmap solution. And third one here you got a schematic. Under there you got their diagram and layout. And these three things it's regularly updating in Borneo. All of also updating, but not so fast as compared to Borneo. That's why we are using Borneo. Understood? Santi.
Yeah, so I want to say, sorry, sir, I want to say Borneo is the best.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Right now, Borneo is very good as compared to all of the listed name of the schematic PCB brands.
Okay.
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 Okay. Now let's come on the Borneo. How can we use? How can we work? So I think these are clear, everyone. Okay.
Yes,
Now
clear.
Yes, clear, clear.
first I need to copy them and clear all drawings, and I want to search based on our student. You are also our student, but our regular student is preferable for me because it's paid for the classes. So that's why I just share only those group that you have taken the regular classes, and notes also share on those group. So such a condition, if you want to join and you want to notes and everything's know about the PCB as well as practical software and hardware, you come on our main group. So I sent on my WhatsApp. Now, if you want to use the Borneo first, first you need to download the setup use of Borneo. Can be used. So first you need what?
To download the setup.
Download, sorry. Download and install the setup. Download setup and install it. Next, make sure activate it first, because without activation we can't use our Borneo. So its need registration process is first, right?
So is it free?
No, no.
Then is it a one-time payment?
Definitely I have to take patience now. I'll do. I will explain everything, no worry. After that, if you have registered, you got their ID and password. After registration, you got their ID and password, username and password to log in. These three steps we are following here. So first I go to download setup where we can download the setup. We set up where what is the actually URL that we can access the download. So first you go on Google and download, go there and tap the URL update borneo.com. This is the URL to access the download of full setup of Borneo. Right now, the version of a schematic gram is 8.1.05.15. They have two download options. Either you can download from Mega, it's a interface, or it's a medium to download, or either you can download from Mediafire. Okay. I have already downloaded my system. What next? Download, install it. Now go on the system. After download, you need to just install it. So it's coming, the name is full setup. While download, you got here, the name was full setup. Now we need to just download it again. click on the mega link. Either you can use mega. The size of this file is 130.75 MB, or you can also use MediaFire account, both of them, anyone you want to like to download. Now I'm choosing the mega. It is a secure as compared to MediaFire. Click download button to download it. Okay, everyone knows the how to download it or how to install it, huh? So can I skip the process,
Yeah.
guys?
Yes.
I think
Yes,
everyone know
yes,
about the how to
Yes,
download and
yes.
install. Okay, now I
Yeah.
am pause that.
which website or which web or which
You
website
can
I will
use
use to download it?
updateborneo.com, Baba. Updateborneo.com. Okay, you download this setup. Now after that, after installation, you got the icon on your screen of Borneo schematic. You click on that icon on desktop screen of Borneo schematic. After that, double click on the icon. After that, it's given the interface of Borneo. Make sure you have connected the internet on your system. It's almost maximum user right now also using Windows 7 process. So if you want to use a Borneo schematic on Windows 7, definitely it not work. So you such a condition you need to install the latest Windows, either Windows 10 or 11. Understood?
Okay, supported OS is Windows 10 or Windows
Right.
11.
Right.
Okay.
Now next, it's internet is good quality. If you have any issue about the internet, use such a condition, download the VPN. Download the VPN. You can download the VPN from here also. Sometime issue about the synchronization date and time from your application launching, you can use this one. If your error from Redis, you can use your virtual. Okay, you can any issue of WMI, so you can use this one to work good quality of here. Okay, after that, when you have launching your tool, it's asking for username and password. But I am fresher. How can I register and how can we make the username and password? So the first URL is download. The second URL, go Google and type there Borneo sign up. What type there? Borneo sign up there, hit enter there. After that, you got a URL sign up page. In the sign up page, you can use your username, either XYZ, like example, Alexander. It's my username I want. And email ID is alexander@gmail.com. Phone number is plus. There's no need for country code. You can directly type your number. It's automatically detect your number. No worry. Just I drop the number is 9504 420 420. Okay. There how much number is it? 437 20. Okay. That after it asking for password. So you make password either your phone number or you can be password from your side. Anyone you can paste either that Rajbind, you can paste your password, the symbol use @ or you can use anything that like I want to make password RMM 950 @. You can make anything password from. Make sure you have combination of numbers, letters, symbols, and make sure you have using the letters uppercase and lowercase also. That is a good and secure and high level of the password. After that, it asking for activation code. If you want to use free, no, you can't use. You can be registered. You can be check the Borneo register as new user here also. Or you can be use normal for checking, but it can't getting the information about internal of Borneo schematic diagram. So if you want to use this one, it asking for activation code. For register this process, for activation, two types activation coming in here. First you got here one PC and the other one is two PC. What is difference between one PC, two PC? That means if you bought one PC, only you can be use only one PC. It can't be log in another PC. If you want to log in another PC, you just wait for 1 month, because you can be log out or you can be reset your hardware ID about your system in 1 month in one time. That means we can be use another PC only 1 month in one PC. But two PC, you can be use same ID, username, password in two different desktop or two PCs. But price may be up. In one PC, if you want to use, it's coming on 3 month. Okay. 6 month and 12 month. Similarly, you got here 3 month, 6 month and 12 month of two PC also. Same. If you want to use your 12 month, it asking for USD. It look like, I think for one PC, it's not accurate. I think it's average amount. I just sharing you. It's coming about $45 example. So in $45, you bought one PC. That means you can only access to log in on your system. In future, my system is totally hanged or some condition, I need to format my system. So can I use again that username password if it's still in activation process or it's already registered? It's not expired? Yeah, definitely. It's giving link there, reset hardware. While going to log in your panel, it asking for reset hardware ID. Click there, and after that you can log in. But make sure you can be reset in one time in 1 month only. After second month you can. That means we can be reset or we can be used and switch the username password to the other PC in 1 month, one time only. We can't be go on the second. Understood? Okay, so after that you have activation. What next? Now this time I'm going to access my account and open launching my step. Username and password fill on the setup and click on login button. Make sure you have remembering, if you're not in Asia, you can use US and EU server. There are 3 servers, Asia's, India's and Europe. So you can choose Europe server. After login, you got the interface like this one. They have given here remaining days in 19 days. It's a single account. You can check here, click here to get the information about your user. It is activated today on 4th of 11, 2025, 17 hours, 55 minutes and 5 seconds. And it will expire on 3 of February, 2026, 15 hours, 54 minutes, 43 seconds. It is a single type of account. Email is already here. The activation code is here. Phone number is here. And display name, all of them information. Otherwise, you can share everything here. Your repair service, you can click here to share things. Like I want to share anything, you can use this share. These are video call process. You can be micro camera to detection that we use here. The first one, if you want to work off mobile only, so go there on mobile. While click, you'll got the list here. Mobile phone solutions, system on chip like sockets, IC data sheets, and IC diode value. What is the meaning of diode? It's like a GR value. You got 4 content on mobile. But I click on the Mac on drivers. You got different types of MacBook model. There you such a condition get the sub content is bitmap, board view, hardware solution, schematic, and smart board. And also you complete laptop. Only you got the laptop, PC, and monitor. How many content you got? Mobile, MacBook, laptop, and what is next one? In here, we can be found anything about your part. Like example, just I miss my IC, it's destroyed and it's hidden. So where can find out? So this tab will help to find which board to support same number of ICs. Example, I just check mobile phone. You do have option. What you want to check, connector or component. So I just check component. Now you can press your serial number or component name. I just drop here JZBR0 and click search button. They have no any issue. Okay. Just I take example. Okay. Unisoc. I want to check the IC list, or we can say like power IC list. Just I check this one 77865S in written hour the IC. Just I check here. Search. Okay, for let me check first. Is it equal? PM power IC.
You did not
Okay.
add that 120
PM
dots.
6125. 6125. What's given? Result from search keyword is not complete. While I'm searching, it's not given. Why? It's the fault? No. You are putting the values wrong here. No, it's same. What is the actual issue? So while checking the component on connector, the different. So just example, I take in here the board any, like look like my board is here. I just check here the name of the ICs. Just need to given the light here. This is not completely RF5422. You check here. They have given the list. You check. If you're missing or if you have broken on board of this RFIC, where we can got the same number of IC. So you can search on the brand Alcatel. The model is /+2 OT. So these are way you can find of any connector. The other one here the download function. You can download the flash file, dump file, deadboard repair file, eMMC file, or UFS file. Also, you can got the laptop files. Now you can put your question.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yes.
This is Raycon from Ghana.
Yes. Okay.
You showed us about the registering, but you didn't show us the process whereby you are going to register. Maybe finding a distributor where you are going to register with.
You can be, if anyone you want to activate your account, you can connect our support team. I think Juliet is already in your support, so you can. She is assistant everything. You can ask there and tell her to activate my account. from my team that give the activation code that you can easily activate, or either you can only pay the amount and I will activate, my team will activate and give the username and password from my team.
Okay, sir. And also, you have shown us things, but I wanted you to maybe identify to us maybe this is the schematic Brumo of maybe an iPhone 6 or maybe Samsung A12, the Brumo image of it, so that we know
Definitely.
this is what we are doing.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, right,
A
right
lot-
question. Right question.
Sorry.
Yeah, sir, that
That's
would
the
be very
que- that's the
important.
that's the that's the question I want to ask.
Yeah, that would be very
I got
important. Maybe
your
so,
friend is now appreciating
because
you, right?
Hello.
sometimes
Digon?
sometimes there are some things you need to show us how the process to go. The practical side should be more than the theoretical, because when you show us
Definitely,
this is
definitely,
uh,
definitely.
so
I got you.
I wanted you to identify maybe the schematic image of maybe iPhone.
Yeah, definitely. I'll got your point. Give it. Come to your
Hello.
point. Give me some time. D9, right?
My question
Hello.
is, you said someone can download the file from the segmentic,
Mm,
the EMMC. Can we
mm.
also download like operating system file from there? Like maybe
Ah,
you want to download
they have
just
different
for
process.
example
I
iOS 15 point or an Android phone of Infinix Smart 5.
I got your point. If you download the
Okay.
latest file or any brand of the model of file, flash file or Stockholm, make sure while downloading you just check first which one is latest version. Either you're from website of a repair my mobile or from Borneo. That condition you match of both of them, because sometimes it's not updating the flash file. So that's why it's need to just check first rather than you can use definitely repair my mobile for downloading the flash file. And
Okay, you
for
have
MMC
you have
firmware, you can be proceed for MMC firmware, because MMC firmware you can be used either for old and new, but flash file or stock ROM or always try to check them both off. After that you can use.
okay. That means you are trying to tell us that best file for like stock Chrome, you can get it from RMM sites.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Sandy Ki Korama.
Yeah. Um, I want to apologize to my guys because I know that these guys have gone far, and I'm new to this training.
Mhm.
Then even to the phone. The
Okay.
question I want to ask, this platform, the Borneo we are learning now, is this a platform where you can only learn the parts of the phones, or is a platform can also enable you to repair phones?
No, only you can't in just our team don't only sharing only like on you. I will explain already on the behalf of the 15 days class already done our students. They have lot of thing there to how to practically work there, how can be done there, how can be work there, how can be practically use the component and ICs via PCB directly, and that after coming on the schematics, there is a content of hardware, but also I have completed the software group like how can be use the port, how can be update the driver, how can be flash, how can be unlock, which tool we can be used for unlock and flash. They have the content of our class.
Okay.
Anyone who asks the question?
So,
Yes, Mr.
sir,
Siddharth sir, are you there? Mr. Siddharth sir?
sir, can you give us some little practical on what I asked?
Yes, please. You can ask. So
Maybe there's a schematic image of maybe iPhone 6 charging IC. Then we know that this is it.
all contents will cover our Sunil sir. No worry. I'm only describe and explain the things of the schematic tool, but your trainer, Mr. Sunil Kumar, will elaborate everything under the content and subcontents. But you are sharing about the like iPhone and all of them. It's a MacBook. Let me show you. Okay. Like example, you just check iPhone. You're asking for iPhone 6s, right? This is your iPhone 6s. What you want to check in hardware solution, they have given the 3D diagram. Like if you want to check the charging informations, click on the charger data. That give the information about the charger. But make sure before the going on the charger, you just check the component name also. In component name, that will given the information, the naming of the component. Like example, it is a two-way. It's a two view, top view and bottom view. In top view, just check here. What is here? This is your on-off volume keys and rear mic. Okay. This is your front camera and a speaker connector. This is your LCD light connect ICs. This is your LCD and touch screen connector. It is a back camera connector. So these are component information. This is your chipset, like your socket. This is a SIM card. This one is your baseband IC. This one is a PA IC. Okay. And other thing, the other side, the bottom side there, you got the internal storage ICs, PAIC, antenna switch IC, NFC, power. So it is the information about your component which is situated in our board. But you are like a charger data. So you know in charger data, you just check the list first, what I given here. So I got here degrees reverse detection line, the buck lines, connector detection of connector left line, Crystar is one. It's a different name because I just already learned Android and the naming was totally different from sometimes it's different, sometimes it's abbreviation. Like it's a buck LX, we can already learn buck line. Okay. So this is your information. BAT VCC, that is equal for Android, VBAT line. Here is PP-VAT VCC. But I already learned on Android what? VBAT line. Okay. So this is the interface. All of them, how can be going and how can connect how can connect to which one component. There's a layout about your interface, about your Boreno. Also, totally, you will explain from our trainer, expert trainer, Mr. Sunil Kumar will elaborate everything. Today only it's the basic information about the components, schematic tools, which one we refer, what is the under the topics I already learned and taught you. Now Rikan, now good, happy? No. Okay, anyone?
Hello, Sajad sir.
G.
Friends, from tomorrow at 5 p.m., we are continuing with schematic class. In schematic, we learn how to read our schematic and diagram. Okay. In this class, we teach you how to explain any problem, how to remove any problem, how to create any line, our power sequence, power working line, etc. Okay. This class is going at least 10 days or 12 days. This class is at least 10 days or 12 days. So
Right.
in this class, we learn about the power sequences and work of mobile ICs. And according to the problem, we teach how to solve our problem.
Thank you. So Mr. Sunil sir, elaborate everything. So you came on that always in time. You will come on the time because the time is 5:15. It's the time of your class or 5 p.m. Sir, which time you can prefer 5 or 5:15?
We send you link to we send you Zoom link at 5 p.m. And 5:15 class will be continue.
Okay. So your class link will gone already. Today I got 5:15, but tomorrow will go the link in 5 p.m. IST and your class will start after 15 minutes, 5:15 IST. Okay, guys? But not for all of them. only our regular student. So if you want to join, so you can just ping the text messages for joining the class and send the phone number, WhatsApp number with country code. Our team will join our the regular class. Okay. And Mr. Sunil said everything explain about the basic components, how can we connect, what is the topic of the charger data, what is the meaning, what is the network section, how can we diagnose, how can we tracing the lines, which one is dead, how can we find out which one is totally dead. They are all preferable by Mr. Sunil Kumar will telling, and it will explain tomorrow from 5:15 IST. Okay.
So please come to the time.
So everyone come on the time.
Okay, thank you.
Right now I am ending this class. Anyone who have to ask question, you can raise your hand and you can unmute your mic and ask me.
So, sir, I want to ask with a thematic Brumo for the 6 month, 3 month, and the 1 year, how much are the prices?
You can ask Miss Juliet. They will explain the amount of the 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months of the prices.
Because these images are very important.
I know.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for your time, sir.
Thank you very much, guys. Hope you are enjoying today. So, guys, if you want to work here smoothly and currently you want to upgrade own self, you just come on my regular class and join and make the good hand for working in your areas and your country. Thank you very much for joining. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
night. Take care and bye, everyone.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Please,
Thank you.
don't go like that. I have a question, sir. Please.
Hey,
Yeah,
Basa,
Thank you,
long
sir.
time.
yes, Ridhiman. Take patience.
Yes,
I'm
please.
there.
Can we,
Now you can put your
yeah,
question now.
can we get today's class video, please? I didn't
Yeah,
attend it very well.
already,
I'm
Ridhiman,
interested in the course that
you
you
are
please
asking a
repeat us
stupid
today.
question here. Already I have listed the last classes videos. So you go there and you can
Okay.
check the videos already there. Today class video will be updated after 5 hours. Okay.
He said, okay, sir.
Okay. Anyone who have the question? Anyone? Santike Kuroma? And anyone you want to chance and you want to
No,
interested to continue with our regular class, just drop your WhatsApp number with country code and join our regular class.
yes. The only thing you should enable the video so that we will watch them offline.
Oh,
Yes,
thank
because
you.
your video, this video, you cannot watch them offline.
Yeah, you can. You can
Okay.
download from social sites and you can be download. Yeah, you can be view without internet.
Okay.
Then can you send us the link through our WhatsApp line? The group for us.
Yeah, you're already in group. You can go there and you can chat there. No
I will,
worry.
I will
Our
find it.
expert will train you and I will help you there.
I will find a time to visit you.
Yeah, sure. You can drop your WhatsApp number with country code. Our team will join soon. Yes, Sipu, Mike, Changara.
You
I
want
will
to go
find a
to
time.
India?
Yeah, I
I
am
will find,
Take me
yeah.
along. Take me along. Take me along.
I will find a
Right.
time to visit you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.